Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella. So today we are doing a very simple tutorial of the ombre lips. If it's something you like to watch, please do keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you get a big thumbs up. Now let's go straight into this. So if you want that matte ombre look, you have to clean your lips first, and we are using the darker colors to line and the lighter colors to fill in. I'm using a brush, this flat brush for it. When you are doing ombre look, like ombre in the mouth, even any other ombre, you use the darker color in the outer corners. Then you go in with the lighter colors in the middle. I think that's the best combo for ombre lips. And while you're drawing your lips, while you're outlining your lips, you should be very careful too, because you might mess it up. So after I lost the other glue when I finished, so I now use this pink shade for the inner color, like I said before. The lighter colors, like the bright colors for the inner, the deeper colors for lining. And don't be shy to use your hands. I blend it out with my hands, tap it all in, and clapping my lips too. I will have those blend. Sometimes you clap your lips, sometimes you use your hands, sometimes you use the brush, whichever one you have. So while you're clapping your lips, it feels like the first color, like the deeper color, it's fading, so I go back in again with the deeper color to reinforce it. So guys, this is it matte. If you like it matte, if you don't like it oily, this is it matte. But if you want that gloss lips, you go in with your gloss, apply it at the back of your hands or whichever way you like. Then you use that brush again. You've cleaned it with your wipes. You first gloss the deeper side first, because if you go in with the lighter one, then if you want to gloss it all like this together, you might make a mess of the colors of the ombre. So you line out first with you line out the deeper part first. When you are done, before you flip the other side of the brush, take your gloss and apply it in the lighter part of the lips. You can actually experiment to see the colors that fit you when you are not going out, so that when you are ready to go out, you can just put in what you like. So guys, this is it glossed up. So this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, and share it on the comment section. Till the next video, bye.